Hey everyone, this is Valerie Meekum. Let me introduce you to my website. The name of my website is Chocolate Chip Paleo. Let me give you just a quick background to why I chose this domain name and this web business. About 6 years ago, I was really sick, went to the doctor, and found out that my body could no longer digest flour, sugar, dairy, and certain oils. So I walked away from that appointment thinking, well, now what do I do? Where do I go? And I needed some guidance and help. So I started to research different diets. And I found that the paleo diet met all of those needs. And, when I'm at that point in my life and I just want some comfort. And I used to turn to food for that comfort. And one thing that I found with the paleo diet is that it incorporated all of those comfort foods, but in a different way. And one of my greatest moments in this new search for food was that I could have chocolate. A certain type of chocolate. It's a dark chocolate. It's sweetened differently, and it has different oils in it, or fats. All that I could digest. So that was the best thing I could find in the paleo diet was the chocolate. Hence my choice to choose chocolate chip paleo. Really quick, this is my homepage. My business is an affiliate business where I use blogs and product review to bring customers to my affiliate businesses that I work with. In my homepage, we quickly introduce you to the paleo diet, give some direction to recipes, and introduce you to myself. In each of these, you could click on a link that will take you to, for instance, About Me, brings you, or the viewer, to the About Me page, which shares a little bit about me, my story, about the paleo diet, and some guides, some steps to help with the paleo diet. Back at the home page, if you clicked on, and let me also mention that two of the three campaigns in the Google Ads that I had, the landing page was on my home page. The other was on my dessert page, but I found that it was not working as well as the home page did for me. So just in the center here, you can find my recipes. Desserts seem to be my number one click. Here you would find, and I had added this information, just a little introduction to sugar, which is your main ingredient for desserts. But here you can come to recipes. You could click on a product. Say you wanted to buy chocolate chips. Well, what kind of chocolate chips do you buy? And it will bring you to my Shop My Favorites, or My Favorites page, which gives you the affiliate status. It tells you that when you click on these links, these products, you will be linked to my affiliate business that I work with. Come down, you find the chocolate chips. I really am frustrated that I couldn't get it to link straight to the product. I will work on that and get that so it goes straight to the product. Here you could either click on the product and it would take you right to the affiliate, which this one is an Amazon. Or you could go to a click review, which goes to my blog. And my blog shares information about chocolate and gives a product review. Obviously, Enjoy Life is my favorite chocolate. And then also in these blogs, I incorporate references so that I have credibility for the material that I am sharing. So, for instance, the history of chocolate, I got some information from the history website. And then also Dr. Axe, which is one of my favorite websites to go to find information about this diet. Again, my recipes page goes through all of the recipes that I have so far. It's a work in progress. My favorites again was each of the products, about, I went through, and then the blog. So that's my website. I've had a few people click and go to my affiliates, but no sales yet. So hopefully down the road I will get those sales and see some money coming in. Thank you.